Only a small number of human beings live like this today. But from the time our species evolved some 200,000 years ago until the not-too-distant past, all of us lived as hunter-gatherers. Then, around 10,000 years ago, people started domesticating animals for food, living in settlements, and cultivating crops. These cultural changes had profound biological impacts on our species, and you're about to encounter one surprising example. It has to do with a familiar food. I'm talking about milk, the main ingredient in some of our favorite things. Almost all of us can digest it as babies, but the story of how many adults can use it as a food is a fascinating case study, a study of the coevolution of human culture and biology. All infant mammals can digest milk. In fact, producing milk for babies is a key trait that distinguishes mammals from all other types of animals. The main sugar in milk, lactose, can't easily pass through the intestinal wall. So cells here make an enzyme called lactase, which breaks lactose into glucose and galactose. These two simpler sugars can then enter the bloodstream, where they can be used for energy. Around the time young mammals stop drinking milk, almost all of them stop making lactase, so they lose their ability to digest milk. They become lactose intolerant. What typically happens when an adult mammal drinks milk? It's not pretty. The lactose goes undigested straight through the small intestine to the large intestine. Here, bacteria eat the sugar and can cause cramps, gas, and diarrhea. It's a bad idea to offer a bowl of milk to an adult cat. We only know of one mammal species in which some adults can drink milk without getting sick. Yes, it's us. Not all of us, but worldwide about a third of adults can digest lactose. This minority is called lactase persistent because their ability to produce the enzyme that breaks down lactose persists beyond childhood, and in fact throughout their lives. How did lactase persistence come about? Why does it occur only in some people?